Now, you have a 1 hour mentoring program. What goes on in a 1 hour mentoring program?
Well, a 1 hour mentoring program we do probably 3 or 4 times a year. The next one's coming up in September, and then we also have one during the Small Business Expo. But it's a way for new or young or people who have questions to ask a panel of experts their issues, their questions about how to be a successful business owner. I think a couple of years ago we had a woman at the Small Business Expo. She was very embarrassed, but she stood up and she said, well, how do I get my employees to stop stealing from me? And that was a question that a lot of people had, and we had a panel of experts answer that because it's important to have the controls in place that your employees don't steal from you, that, customers don't steal from you. So it's just a way of getting free advice.
So if you have an interest in 1 hour mentoring, I think in August there will be a link to go ahead and register for the September program, and I encourage you to keep an eye on that because the registrations do book up pretty quickly.
We do fill up, and we have a waiting list. We probably get anywhere between 150 and 200 people that attend those, so please register in advance. If you don't make it the first time, you'll get on the waiting list, but come on out and get your questions answered by a panel of experts.